Welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to look at how to create this little box with the text right inside it. So let's get started. First of all, we need to apply the effect to this. To get the effects, make sure to be on the effects panel here. Go up to the video effect, and then you go to generate. In the generate, you have the draw box. Just drop that in, and you created this nice little box there. You can change the color to a different color. And then you can change the thickness with the width and the height. So you can change the thickness. Let's type this thickness, make it 15. And we have something nice like this. From the top X, we bring it somewhere there. And from top left Y, we bring it down here. And then from the height, we want to make it a little bit bigger like that. And then from the width, we just close it to make it like a small thin line like that. Once we have this, now we want to hide this. To hide that, from the Y value here, just drag all the way up and you're hiding the little line. Okay, now time for animation. So let's go back to the beginning and then come a little bit in like that and then add a keyframe. Once you add the keyframe, from the Y value, you drag our little line back again. Once you have the line there, now move in here, add another keyframe, and then move back again, and then add another keyframe. And then from the width, we want to expand this all the way like that. Something like that. So you can see now this is the beginning. So here we have that. Coming up and then extend like that. Okay, now let's create a text. So from here, let's move in here. I have already created a text here. So if you don't know how to create a text, you watch some of our videos here, which is how to create a text. So we have this text here. It's a little bit bigger there. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a transform. To add a transform, go to transform distort and perspective and select the transform, and we'll bring it down. Okay, from here we just bring the text right here, grab it on the screen, something like that. And then the size scale here, we want to scale this one down to be fitting, yes, something like that. And then from the Y, we can try to move right there. Okay, so now that we have that, now let's hide the text. So using the X and Y position, we can use the X position. We move the text in here, and then we go in one frame, add a keyframe, two frame with another keyframe, and from the X again, we bring in our text. There we go. So that's the intro. Once you have that, now you can do the outro for the text first. So let's just add a keyframe, and then come here, add another keyframe. And now we want to rotate the text as it's moved out. So simply clicks like this, and from the Y position, let's drop this down, and that's it. That's the text animation. What about our little lines, our little box again? We're going to do the same thing from here. Select the clip, add a keyframe, move the playhead again, add another keyframe, and from the width, move this one back to our little line again, and then move the playhead somewhere here, add the keyframe, and move the playhead again, add the keyframe, and from the X position, you can get the line to the other side like that. And here's the final. So you can adjust the keyframes here to make it faster, slower, and whatever, but just click and grab it. And there you go. You can use the draw box to create this nice little box there to have your text animation like that. Thank you again for watching.